How to check Target gift card balance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Target gift card balance. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in target.com. This is the official URL of Target. Once you enter this keyword, press on the enter key to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Target. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you'd like to use the shortcut, then you can also visit Target's gift card balance page directly, and then from there you can check the balance of your gift card. Here I am using the official website of Target. Once you reach this page, here you will need to scroll down at the very bottom. And here you'll be able to see this section. From the help section, find the contact us option and then click on it. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to select a topic. Click on the select box and then from here select Target gift card. Once you select it, now here you'll be able to see Target gift card balance. Simply click on it and then you will be presented with a new interface. Here you'll be able to see this text box where you'll need to enter your card number and the access number. You'll be able to see this card number and access number at the back side of your gift card. You will need to gently remove the metallic strip on the back side of your gift card to reveal the card and the access numbers. And once you reveal it, enter your 15-digit gift card number in the card number text box and then enter your access number in the second text box. After that, you can simply click on this check balance button at the very bottom and then you'll be able to view the Target gift card balance. In case if you don't want to use the online, then you may also visit a Target store and there ask a customer service representative to check the balance for you. Also, if your gift card is saved to your Target account, you can check the balance through the application. If in case you would like to call to the Target's customer support, then you can simply come back to the previous page. Here you'll be able to see this contact us option and then at the right side you'll be able to see the number. You can just call at this number and then when prompted you will need to enter your card details and then you'll hear your balance at the last 5 transactions. So by following these steps you should be able to check Target gift card balance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.